I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. With low pressure lifting north, we could see a few showers and thunderstorms tonight. Slightly better chances over central and eastern Kansas, where there is a marginal to slight risk of severe storms. Levels 1 to 2 of 5. Our highs tomorrow are once again in the 70s. As the stalled cold front interacts with the stream of Gulf moisture, thunderstorms likely for tomorrow through Thursday night, especially that time period tomorrow night through Thursday. Storms could be severe first thing tomorrow morning and again tomorrow afternoon and evening with quarter-size hail and wind gusts up to 60. All areas are in a marginal risk of severe storms tomorrow, a level 1 of 5. Storm chances taper off for Friday into Friday night. Thunderstorm chances return Saturday through Monday when low pressure lifts northeast. That most likely time, Saturday afternoon through Saturday night. The latest rainfall forecast the next 7 days decreases the total slightly in western areas. Most locations, though, are still in line for 1 to 2 inches of rain, possibly up to 3 inches in eastern areas of Nebraska and Kansas. Highs drop back into the upper 50s to the 60s for Friday and Saturday before we warm into the 70s to the low 80s for Sunday and Monday. In the long-term forecast, temperatures for Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through the first 5 days of May stay warmer than normal. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall likely to be above normal Sunday through May 5th, with the highest chances during the early half of next week. Soil temperatures 4 inches deep at 7 this morning, in the low 40s from the western sandhills into the Panhandle. Along and northwest of a line from Norfolk to Lexington, McCook, and Goodland, soil temperatures were in the mid to upper 40s. Soil temperatures in the low to mid 50s were found in all other locations of south central to southeast Nebraska and nearly all of Kansas. Key weather factors the markets are watching include negative and positive impacts from multiple rain chances across the U.S. and improving conditions for Brazil's second crop corn. Rainy and mild weather prevails the rest of the week across much of the central and eastern U.S. The most concentrated area of storminess develops across the central and southern plains late tomorrow before tracking into the Ohio Valley by Friday and the Northeast by Saturday. 5-day rainfall could reach 1 to 3 inches or more from the central and southern plains into the Northeast. There is a chance for the southern end of a cold front to stall in the plains, which would help form another storm that lifts northeast through the U.S. the middle part of next week. Across the central and southern plains, spring planting could be delayed by the multiple rounds of rain, but soil moisture is likely to improve for developing wheat. Due to the ongoing drought, more than a third of the wheat is rated very poor to poor in South Dakota, Nebraska, and Texas. For central Brazil, rainfall is more widespread late this week through next week, extending the wet season while second crop corn finishes pollination and begins to fill after a dry scare earlier this month. Overseas, rain this week largely misses drier areas of northeast Europe just before it turns drier and milder next week. Wheat areas of Poland look to have the greatest dry weather concerns. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of your ag weather.